My country pipu una welcome back to my channel today. Bella don come out come react over the unsolicited advice wey fans dey give her ever since her breakup saga with Sheggz surface online. And also Neo don come under fire after a recent post wey be say e drop. So since Neo come out from Big Brother house, he has been winning different endorsement deals and a lot of nice things don dey go on with him. He even follow bag the 43rd queen, Beauty Tukura, as a girlfriend. Wey be say dey call their ship Neoti ship. So I no know whether na because the way girls take pursue am for inside the Big Brother house, the likes of Ilebaye and Tolani Baji, wey dey take fight tooth and nail for the guy affection, na come make am come dey feel say he's so cute, all those type of thing. Even CC complained and say he's so neat, he smells so nice, the way all the women just dey talk about the guy, come make am dey feel very sexy and very special. So him come out, him first of all he do some kind influencing, I no know na influencer I go call am, wey be say he do few months ago, wey be say he dey under water, he open the chest, dey baff, people come dey do that thing as challenge, people come dey hail am say you look so cute, all type of thing. So the way they say praise am for that particular video wey be say e drop, na come prompt this new one wey be say im drop. So this one wey be say im come drop now, this one na the one wey be say e dey for inside bathtub dey swim, e even wear shower cap. So people not joke with this video at all, they dey very angry because to them they feel say the thing dey very unnecessary for am to come out, they come dey drop all this type of video. So this na the video wey be say Neo drop, wey be say e dey do sexy for bathtub with his shower cap, dey point hand. I no know whether im dey sing, whether e don enter music industry. So make I show una some of the reactions wey people drop under this shower bathing. So the first person here say somebody lie give this guy say him na Mr. Nigeria. Another one say this one is for all him enemies wey think say e no dey bath, like in your faces haters. Another one come say he's dark skin and acts this way, imagine if he was light skin. Wetin come concern dark skin and light skin now? The last person come say wetin be this, what kind of rubbish is this? Why ain't you all telling him the truth? The truth wey the girl want make we tell am be say Neo no fine, na wetin she dey try to talk. And I know for Neo mind, na him be the cutest boy for the history of Big Brother. The way all the girls chase am for the Big Brother house, una no play o, na him be the cutest for him mind. That one say beyond disgusting. That one say bathtub na for female alone. The next person come put this V picture. The last person say why boy go dey form sexy, come put laughing emoji. Ram is actually sexy o, so we no fit fault am. They say if you not praise yourself, who go praise you? So make Oga continue. So unto Bella matter, since the news of her breakup with Sheggz come out, different guys don dey apply for the position of Sheggz as in her boyfriend to Bella. They wan date Bella, so different people don dey apply since, and some people don dey give her unsolicited advice. But I will first read some of the application wey be say people drop for Bella before I read Bella reply. So the first person here come say, hi dear, cause of you I'll be going to the Big Brother house, so we could just both be his ex and never be exes to each other. This one I love Lamba. Come say you're beautiful, is stunning, please say yes. This picture wey be say this person quote, na picture wey be say Bella snap few hours ago, and a lot of people don come and come to say Sheggz no even bother to like the picture, this one since they don't break up, all those type of things. So that make this person come quote the picture to come apply for the boyfriend position. So the next person come say she possesses all the physical qualities I want in a woman. She's single now, so at least I have a chance. Yes, so people wey be say get chance, more na shoot una shot. So with all the old gbasgbos, Bella come out come talk her own for inside, come say advice here and there, as in people don dey advise her different thing. Why wetin happen, do am like this, do like this. Come they say don't these advisors have other pressing issues? Feel free to tweet your hot takes, but don't bring it to me. You know say Bella DM go don full this period, as everybody, most of the men they wan date her, and I sure say the same thing go dey happen to Sheggz. A lot of girls go don fully DM say we don hear the rumor say una don break up, oh, make her apply too. Some people just not get shame, discipline whatsoever. So if true say she and Sheggz their relationship don break, now you won't go dey enter there. Relationship for how many years wey be say two of them don manage build to some extent. Now wey be say they break up, as if the breakup na even true, now una wan dey go apply. Now wow, wish the people where they apply good luck anyways. It might actually work for them, it might not. Una take care, una bye.